Hello beautifuls, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a Temu haul to share with you. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this bag of goodies. Okay, this haul is a little mix, so I might have some spring and some Valentine in here. The first thing I want to share is the spring cardstock. I thought this was super pretty. You get the flowers on a yellow background. And these are like glossy, a little glossy. You get the pink one. You get the yellow. This is like a Eastery colors. Look at the stripes. Oh my goodness, love it. And you get the pink polka dots. You get the thicker stripes. You get the yellow polka dots. You get the pink zigzags. The line. With the dots, bigger polka dots. Love polka dots. Blue. Oh, look at this blue flowers. That beautiful. And then you get the zigzag and green. Real nice. I like this. I like the spring colors, Easter colors. Okay, next thing I hauled is this Valentine trim. Look at this. This is real nice. And I gotta find this in a bigger roll. I believe you get 2 yards or maybe 2 or 3 yards, I think. Look at that. Look at the shine on that. And this one had it in pink, purple, the red, and I forgot the other color, but they're from the shop, they're from a shop. I did get another one, which I should have in this haul. Okay, another thing I hauled are these jemmies. I've been hauling these jemmies in different colors. But I got the spring color. Look at that. I love mint. I mean, I love the green with the pink. Look at that. Love those colors. That one. And then the next thing I was able to get are these flatbacks, but they're purple flowers. Look at that. And I got that to put on embellishments. And then I also got it in pink. Look at that one. How nice are those? And this shop also had multicolors. And then I also got it in blue. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful colors. Okay, here goes the other tool that I got. This one was in purple. Look how pretty these are. Look at that. Got that one. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, I also ordered some real cute bows, and these are in pink and gold. Look at that. How cute are those? And this shop also came in different colors. But I like the pink. And then I have a ruffle. Look at this cute ruffle. How cute is that? Look at that. Look at that. And it does have a little stretch to it. But yeah, got that one. And I got this so I could put on embellishments because I have a few projects I'm doing. Okay, these here, now I hauled, I believe, the pink ones. And I did get them in the blue. Look at those, how gorgeous. Fancy. Look at that. I got them in the blue. and in the dark pink. Look at that. How nice are those? Those are nice. They do have them in white and in a multicolor also from the same shop. Those ones. Now for Easter, I also hauled this Easter trim and their Easter eggs in their rainbow color. Look at that. Actually real nice. I like that. Real nice. So I hauled that. And then I also hauled this in the red flowers. Yeah, those are super pretty. I was thinking about Valentine's with those, so that's why I got those colors. And then I did get another Jemmies, and this is the purple, green, and blue. That this could be used for Easter, maybe in winter. That one. And then with these bows here, I ordered the mix pack. So you can see what colors comes in it. And this one you get the purple, white, pink, black, and blue. And the shop you could get the color by itself if you want it. So I got one mix pack. Okay, got that one. And then I saw these little cuties. These are another kind of bows. And this one's also a multicolor. So it comes in pink, white, purple, green, and blue. Look at that. How cute are those? So cuties. And then I had some heart charms, and this was with the gold plated. Got those. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be sharing are the dies that I ordered. I ordered a few dies. Right there. So the first one here is this background die, which I love these, and I will be testing these out. This one does not look like it has a layer and piece, just looks like one piece. I have that one. Now I also ordered the swans. Yeah, these are the swans. No, the flamingos. Look at that. How nice are those? They're the flamingos. And then I ordered some little cute monsters. Look at the cutie patooties. Look at that. Love the 3 eyeball guy. Now this is like a 3x3. The main one I think is 3x3. Oh, look at that. Little frames, square frames. Love that. And I also saw this one. It was on sale during the Christmas. They had the Christmas trees. Look at that. Real nice. And then I got another little frame here, like a background frame. And you get 3 different layers or pieces to it. Look at that. That was pretty. And then I also have this one here, which is like another frame plate. And I don't think it has, it doesn't have a shadow piece, so this is all one piece. Got that one. And then for the Valentine one, I got this one here. And this one does got different shadow pieces in there. So love it. Got love is in the air. And then I did haul a round die. This has a lot. I don't really have a plain round one, so I went ahead and ordered that, which will come in handy. And then I ordered this oval frame. So when I do cards and stuff, that is actually a real good size. Love that. And then for Christmas, I ordered this one. I believe it said Noel on there. I think that's what it said on there. I'll put a picture on there so you can see. I don't know if I'm right, but I thought it said Noel. Got that one. And then I got this stamp for Valentine's, and this is actually a pretty big size, and it does come with 2 hearts. Love, love, love. Now this one's a Christmas one. Let me open this because it's all red. It's all messed up. Okay, this one says Jingle Bells, and it's just shadow piece and award die. Got that one. And then for Valentine, I did get these lips, lollipop. I saw this, I thought it was cute. And then for Christmas, I hauled this Joy. It does have a layering piece. And then you got some holly berry to put on there. Got that one also. And then the last thing I got is this scallop die. Look at that. Real nice. Love it. Love all of these. So yeah, that is my haul that I wanted to share with you guys. I will put all the links below if it's available. The dies I will be cutting, so make sure they do cut. So keep an eye out for those videos. Maybe I'll do, if it's like a major die, I'll do 3 at a time. If it's not that major, I'll do maybe more. But yeah, I'll put everything in the description. I even put my Temu code in there, so if you're new to Temu or reinstated your Temu app, you could go ahead and get some extra bundles and save some money. So don't go ahead and use that. I do get a little commission, but it's no extra to you, so feel free to use any of that stuff. Yeah, and with that, leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite. I like it all, but I do like the bows and the tool. But yeah, and with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.